So the 1926 census is the first census of the Irish Free State. And as such, really, it does mark an incredible moment in Irish history. We just had a decade of revolution and upheaval and conflict, from the Easter Risings through to the War of Independence and the Civil War. And then after the establishment of Saoirse Éireann in December 1922, one of the first things that the new government, Cumann na nGaedheal, set out to do was to conduct a census of the population. So this census here that we have, the 1926 census, at the time it was conducted to allow the government to be able to plan in the decades ahead for its citizens in terms of housing, infrastructure, transport, etc.
So in front of me here is the census from St Nicholas in County Cork. The information in these records is so important, not only for everybody, but I think for the younger generation. I feel like we have a big boost in people being interested in Irish history at the minute. We're having a bit of a cultural revival, and I feel like because these records are so personal and close to home and family history, it makes them a lot more important. It gives us the snapshot exactly into what was happening in Ireland 100 years ago.
So history records the big moments, the big events in people's lives, but actually the census returns tell the stories and the colour of people's lives across Ireland.